So how about the question number 2? My mother always plays the song of Christian Bautista. Carmel, what is the action word of this question?
Plays, teacher.
Okay, plays, because when you plays the song, your mother doing an action to play it. Because, am I right, Julie? Oh, Carmel?
Yes, teacher.
How about question number 3? Jasper, Laura loves to dance.
Dance, teacher.
Okay, very good. Question number 5. Grandmother water her plants every day.
Waters, teacher.
Question number 5. Jane always walks her dog out every morning. Jackie?
Walks, teacher.
Very good. So, what is verb again?
Verb, teacher, a word showing actions.
Yes, a word used to describe an action, state, or occurrence and forming the main part of the predicate of a sentence, such as hear, become, and happen. So, in short, this is a words that shows an action. So, for now, we again, what is verb?
Verb, teacher, a word showing
Actions, and gave some examples of a verb. Julie,
Running, teacher.
what else?
Dancing.
Nancy, what else? Give me 5.
Eating.
Eating. The 4th,
Jumping.
jumping and swimming, right?
Yes.
Swimming is an action words. Action word, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so for the activity, we are going to play a word hunting. I will group you into 5. All you have to do is to search for the word inside the word hunt as I give you clues for every word that you are going to look for. So you are given 10 minutes to finish. The first group to finish will be the winners that scores 30 points. The next group will be having the 25 points and the rest of the group will be having the 20 points. Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. So, are you done? You just have to read the clues beside the word hunt for
Done,
the
teacher.
Okay, I will read the clue and you have a clues and you have to answer it, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, clue number 1. What did you do when you're very sad?
Cry, teacher.
Okay, very good. What did you do when you see something funny?
Laugh, teacher.
What did you do when you're in a hurry?
Run, teacher.
Clue number 4. What did you do when you see a book? Book. Jasper?
Read, teacher.
Okay, what did you do when you're hungry? Angel.
Eat, teacher.
Okay, eat. So, for this activity, the first group, the winner group is the group of Julie. The second is Jasper.
Yay!
So for you, Julie, and the group, you will have the 30 points. Jasper, 25 points, and the rest will have the 20 points. Are you having fun, guys?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. So, what I will be giving you a question. What are some verbs or actions that you do every day in your house, in the school, or in the community? Can you give one in the school or in your house, Julie?
Eating, teacher.
In the school, Jasper?
Writing, teacher.
In the community, Carmel?
Playing, teacher.
Very good. You've mastered already what is the verb. The verb is an action word. An action word is a verb. Very good. So in this activity, you will get a 1/4 sheet of paper. Fill in the blank with the correct verb from the box. Question number 1: the swimmers
Swim.
swims in the pool. The boy writes his name. Okay, so you've got all you all got a perfect score. So congratulations for that class. In test 2, construct 5-item sentences with a verb in it. Write it in your composition notebook.